everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for being so patient. I haven't posted in months, but life has been really busy and it's fall, so all the leaves are so colorful and yeah, it's been really pretty. The thing with fall is one day the temperature could be 20 degrees Celsius, the other day it could be 5 degrees Celsius, and you just have to be prepared for it. One day it's raining, another day it's sunny like today, but don't be fooled. The sun is just light at this point. It's super cold and the wind is what makes it worse. Other than that, fall is super busy for international students especially. You just came here, if you're also an international student and watching this, like I just came in August and after that so much has happened. My classes, I mean obviously that was a part of what was about to happen, but then you're supposed to find an on-campus job, then you have submissions, you have to have your state ID, your SSN, you start working, and then immediately you start working on your resume, your portfolio, because summer 2025 internships open in September, October of the previous years. So this is the time when I should be doing all of that instead of sitting here in a park and making a video, which I'll go and do anyway. But yeah, so it's been quite busy, but it's been so much fun. Like New York City has so much to offer. There's events, Broadways, parades, shows, theaters, like so much happening in this city that you always have to be on your calendar. Like my Google Calendar is full right now with events happening one after the other. And don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that I'm not taking my time off and I'm not relaxing. But yeah, it's been like up and down. So next week the weather is falling to minus. It's -1 and then -2 and then -3. It goes up to -4. That's as far as I saw, and it's also Thanksgiving week, so I don't think I'm stepping out of the house at all. Like I'm not used to those negative figures. Like bring me back those 40 degrees Celsius heat in India. Like I can't wait for it. And now people are gonna say, why did you go in the first place then if you want the India weather so bad? Did you just go there to complain? I mean, yeah, I'm just ranting at this point. I do want the Indian weather back. I mean, I wish I was just rich enough to fly to all the hot countries in whenever it was this cold. Like I wish I was in Miami right now, probably India for that matter, or Goa. Like that would have been great. But anyway, I'm just an international student, broke. One day in class I was literally wearing 5 layers. Like I had my Uniqlo Heat Tech, on that I had my t-shirt, on that a sweater, on that another Uniqlo ultra light down, the one to protect the wind, and then I had a muffler, and then I had one big jacket, and it was so uncomfortable. And obviously I had fur lined leggings, which I always wear. So yeah, it's been really like hard, but today I'm just wearing one sweater because I figured out the weather. I'm smart. I check the temperature and I dress accordingly, and I now know what works for my body the best. So that's one. But yeah, I do intend to share more of my design work and more of what the life looks here as a student, what's happening in the college, what kind of projects I'm working on, and a lot of things. I do want to share all of that. Hopefully I'll be more consistent. Editing is what takes a lot of time on YouTube, so probably I'll be putting more raw videos now because who has the time for that? But yeah, stay tuned for more content, hopefully, that I'll put up eventually. Now that December is coming, I'm also free. I mean, I have work, but anyway, thanks for watching my video guys, and see you in the next video. Take care.